Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings, scroll down and search for additional settings. Scroll down and there is gonna be backup and reset. Go to the backup and restore local backup. And as you see, we don't have backup record right now, so create a new backup and select data which you want to backup. For example, contact message, call logs, preference settings, apps, and many more. Let's try to start backup saver to phone, and there is a progress bar, how many backups of your files is being created. It's half of now. Of course, you can restore your backup, done for now, and you have created your backup. If you want to restore this backup, just click on it and you can start by restore your backup. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!